This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at CES 2020. To my immediate right is Tony Zheng. He is COO of Matatalab. Welcome to the program, Tony.
Thank you. It's nice meeting you.
It's a pleasure to be here at CES 2020. Did you ever think you'd be here?
Yes. This is my third time to come to CES. So I'm very, very happy to see the new things and also to the media people.
You're a veteran already. What have you got on display here?
I'm showing a hands-on coding robot for the young children.
Okay, so when we say young children, how old are we thinking of?
I mean the age between like 3 to 9 years old.
3 to 9. Okay, so by the time they're done with the coding robot, are they going to be like writing video games? Like what do we mean by coding?
Okay, when we talk about coding, I mean maybe we can write down a programming that you can control a robot to navigate or do whatever you are giving the command.
It's amazing because, you know, when I grew up, it was all about the ABCs and the math, and now we got to learn to program at a very young age as well. Yeah. So how does this product work?
Okay, you know the children today, they are very young, very smart and lucky. We give them a coding robot like this one. Yes, this is a small robot, and there is like this kind of bricks. So you can put this kind of block into the controller like this one, okay? So the simple block gives you a message like moving forward, backward, left, and right. So you can make it a write a command from in a sequencing way. So then you can control the robot to go to the destination. And we are helping the children to building up logical thinking.
So it sounds like, on one side you're building this puzzle. It's kind of like a puzzle, right? Yes. And they're building it as to what they want the robot to do. Yes. And then finally the robot does what it's told, but it's done according to this whole set of program instructions that the child or whoever the user is put together. Does that sound about right?
Excellent, yes. So this is why we design, because it's aging between like 3 to 9 years old. So the programming language should be different. And we are not asking them to using the computer or screen. Everything is hands-on.
And it may even be more appealing for them that it's hands-on and they visibly see what they're doing. And so when they're done with this, what kind of skills do you think that they'll have?
In a general, we were talking about like computational thinking, or maybe they are thinking about how to solving a problem. So if you talk it in a simple way, it's about logical thinking, it's about like how to solving a problem in an early age.
All right, very good. Now, I take it, well, is this marketed to parents? Is it marketed to schools? Who would you ultimately like to see buying this?
Today, mostly they are like kindergarten teacher. They're buying this one as an education tool for the young children in the class. So the other case is in the family. So the parents want to give them an education toy, because most of the case, children today, you know, the number one tech toy today, the world, is iPad. Okay. Children are playing a lot of games. They are playing a lot of things that in digital way, right? So, but this one, we give them a screen-free time. They can control the robot to doing whatever they want to give them the demand, and this is very interactive way.
And I saw it doesn't just move the robot around. You could get the robot to do things for you too, like draw pictures, I understand.
Yes, because learn to code is just a starting. We hope the children can understand how to build a programming language, and then later they can, through programming, they can design something new.
Wonderful. So is it available for sale? Can people buy it today?
Yes, you can buy it on Amazon or through we have a lot of distributors. If you Google online, Matatalab coding set, you can find everywhere.
What's the going rate? How much?
The pricing is between like $169 to $285.
US dollars?
Yes.
Very good. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, my pleasure.
This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at CES 2020. We will, of course, be back with more. Thank you for watching.